Hi guys, Digital Principal and Computer Organization. The subject code is CS3351. This is a common paper for CSE, IT, CSBS and ADS department. This is the third unit. The title of this third unit is Computer Fundamentals. In this unit, you are going to study about what are the instruction set is used to implement the output of the computer. First topic is functional unit of digital computer. What are the unit present in the computer to process our instruction to provide an output? Usually, the general purpose computer system is an example of digital system. Other examples include telephonic switches, switching exchanges, digital voltmeter, digital counter. These some of the examples of digital computer. Computer architecture deals with the specification of instruction set and the hardware unit that implement the instruction. For example, if you are going to add the two number with the help of this computer means we need to add 2 plus 2 means 2 plus 2. So this will be is given as the input to the computer and the processor will do the operation to display the output in our monitor. So this is the procedure in our computer to get an output. Computer hardware consists of electronic circuit, displays, magnetic and optical storage media and also communication facilities. Functional units are part of CPU. What is CPU in the computer? CPU is the processor in our computer. So CPU is called as one of the main board in our computer to do the several function. So functional unit is CPU, central processing unit. It's going to perform the operation and calculation by the computer program. The computer consists of five main components. First one is input unit, central processing unit, memory unit, arithmetic and logic unit, control unit, and the output unit. These are the five main components of our general computer. So this question will be asked in your either 2 mark or in 16 mark. This is the block diagram of general computer. Usually the computer block diagram is an input device. Input, they are going to give an input from the user. Afterwards, the input is processed by this processor. The processor here is nothing but the CPU. And the CPU process that input. Afterwards, it's going to display the output for the user in the monitor. That is output. Inside the processor, inside the CPU, there will be a three unit. One is control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and memory unit. So this is the basic block diagram of a computer. First one is input unit. What is meant by input unit? Input unit is nothing but it is going to get an instruction from the user and it will send to the processor. The most commonly used input device in our computer are keyboard. With the help of the keyboard, you can able to type anything like A, B or some words. So the keyboard is act as an input device to give a information to the computer from the user. And the mouse is also is a kind of input device. With the help of the mouse, we can able to select what are all the words we need. After joystick and microphone, these are all the examples of input device. If you are going to type any word, anything from the keyboard means, so this key is pressed, the corresponding letters or digit is automatically translated into the binary code. The computer only knows the languages of 0 and 1. So zeros and 1 is the binary code. it will be known to computer. Whatever the instruction we are giving to the computer, that computer translate that given information to that known language. That known language is called as binary language. Afterwards, it process, then it will display as an output in the monitor. This is central processing unit. In central processing unit is a processor in our computer. It is it is an electronic circuit within a computer that carries out the instruction given by the computer program and perform the basic arithmetic, logical, and control unit operation. What is the memory unit in CPU? The memory unit is used to store the data or information. So it is used as a storage area of the computer. And the memory unit is characterized into two. One is primary memory and another one is secondary memory. There will be a classification in primary memory and secondary memory also. The, this memory related topics we will study in our fifth unit in very detail. Afterwards, arithmetic logic unit. What is the use of arithmetic logic unit? This unit is going to perform the operation like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And logical means it's going to perform the and, or, and not operation. So this is the purpose of the arithmetic and logic unit. The control unit is one of the important unit in our CPU. This control unit is one of the component in our CPU that coordinate the operation of the processor. It's going to tell the computer memory and arithmetic and logic unit and input output device how to respond to that program instruction. For example, if the user is giving some instruction to the computer, then the instruction is going to the control unit and the control unit is going to do the operation. Whatever the operation is performed by other unit. So it is considered to be an overall controller of that processor. The control unit is also known as the nerve center of that computer system. So this unit is going to decide what all the operation is performed by particular unit. For example, if you are going to give the instruction like add 1 plus 2. So add 1 plus 2 means you need to add these two numbers. So then control unit is going to alert this arithmetic and logic unit to do the operation and the operation after that function of this arithmetic and logic unit, the output is sent to the output device, that is monitor, to display the output for the user. So here we will consider an example of addition of two operand. That is instruction is given as add location. This is RO is mentioned is known as register. This instruction add the memory location to the operand in the register and place the sum in the register. So it's going to add two operand. Afterwards, the final result will be stored in this register. So this instruction internally performs several steps inside this control unit. Next one is output unit and the final unit. The output will be displayed in this output unit. If you are going to give at 1 plus 2, right? So the result 3 will be displayed as an output of this given instruction. So the processed information will be displayed to the user. Output device or equipment that are used to generate the information. So example of output unit is monitor, printer. These are all the examples of output unit or output device. So with the help of the monitor, if you are going to give the instruction to the keyboard, how we will get the instruction as an output with the help of this monitor. And the printer is also a kind of the output device. Thank you guys. In my next video, I will explain about Van Neumann architecture. That is one of the important topic in this unit. Once again, thank you guys.